Hey guys, how's it going? So everybody's having an amazing day. I took the Audi out back. We're gonna go ahead and work on the Evo. The water pump's in. It's all time and perfectly done. And for those that don't know, it was leaking a little bit of water from the water pump, and me and the wife decided to do the project. It was one of those things I've never done before, but why not? So I learned from a couple of videos on boosted films, and we got it all time. It's perfect now. So I turn it on, everything is working well. There's no leaks, so super happy with that. Always wanted to try that out and be able to succeed. So we are today doing a couple of things to the Evo. I'm gonna go ahead and we actually are changing the wheel color, which is actually different. I love the bronze, but I just wanted to do something different for this year. So the company that sent me and all that, they're called Superwrap, and what they do, they have quality sprays. For example, their sprays, once you spray the wheel, it'll look like a wrap. You won't have that rough texture like that plastic that normal has and things like that. This is actual high quality product, and it will look like a wrap, and it will have that glossiness to it too. So that's who Superwrap is. So they went ahead and they're actually sponsoring, and they sent me a couple of cans and all that. And I'm super excited. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. It's gonna change the look of the car. And yeah, so 2020, I wanted to do something different. And so today I'm gonna go ahead and we'll be painting those. So yeah, thank you for sticking through. Please, go ahead and follow my Instagram and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I really do appreciate it. Thank you everyone for watching and always, always being there for me. All right, guys. So here's the product from Superwrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. Wow, that's awesome. This is awesome. So like again, I want to say thank you to Superwrap. They went ahead and they actually sponsoring this. So I want to say thank you again. I can't wait to install this. This is gonna be awesome. That's pretty much it. So see what this is. So as you can kind of peek, that's kind of the color that I'm doing. So I'm super excited. So that's that. That's the cleaners and all those things. So these are the gloss, the clear gloss for them. This is the prep spray. So obviously before, you go ahead and paint, I'm gonna go ahead and put this. I did do the alcohol, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this just to make sure, but you're okay with just this. So yeah, so I got 2 pep sprays, which is pretty awesome. Got another clear here. So this actually is what I'm doing, the brake calipers, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and do the brake calipers in that color again, in yellow, and this is the base. So all their wheel kits and everything are all online. They have a lot of freaking colors. They have, the matte series, they have the metallic series, they have a bunch of different finishes and colors for whatever your application is. But that's what I'm gonna do. These are what my wheels are gonna be. So you just put, for example, you say you need a wheel kit, and it tells you how many cans and everything it brings. So I love the boxing. Everything is perfectly fine. As you can see, they protected everything. They sent me some stickers, which thank you for that as well. And there it is. Look, I got a little thank you for your purchase too as well. So yep, that's them right there. That's their Instagram, their YouTube, and their Facebook. So go ahead and give them a like and a follow. And yeah, super excited about this. I'll put a promo code that you can use if you're looking for these products for your vehicle. There's a promo code, and I'll put that on the link on the description below, so you can have that. So here's what the product looks like. So this is the blue that I'm going for. And then I believe it's called Le Mans Blue. And then this is obviously the base coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with this. And then got the clear coat for it too. So yeah, super excited. I've been seeing pictures and their videos and really informative videos and things like that, how to go ahead and, you know, apply the product and everything. So this is videos gonna pretty much just showing you just maybe 1 or 2 wheels, and then gonna go ahead and just show you the finished product and what I think about it. So yeah, thank you for sticking around, and I can't wait. So there it is, guys. This is my last 2 wheels done. As you can see, Superwrap, it's an amazing product, honestly. Compared to plastic, there, I'm sorry to even throw plastic names out there, but Superwrap, wow, 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 wow. Look at this. Literally, it's like a freaking wrap. Hence the name, but literally, guys, it looks amazing. I'm so happy with that product. As you can see, I use index cards. I put a bunch of index cards, and that's the best way to do it. So around the rim, you just put index cards around. They cost like, it was like $150, 150 index cards for like a dollar trade. So yeah, it's you can't beat that. But that's the best way of painting it. But as you can see, that's glossy. That is very glossy. Super happy with the product. I'm super, like, honestly, I'm lost for words, honestly. This is a little preview. I love the offset, so I like, you see how the yellow with the yellow caliper. Oh god, this looks so freaking good. Wow. Look at that glossiness. Superwrap is such an amazing product, as you can see. It lays down like smooth, you know, looks like a professional freaking powder coating job. And then I also went ahead and put the gloss here. So it's their gloss to it. And that just looks amazing. Wow. Go ahead and close the hood. Oh man, that looks different.